Hey guys and dolls, it's your girl Nicole at Nonstopchic. Welcome back. This week we are going to be doing, I'm going to be doing some lip swatches, all 12 of the Snowball Classics Mini Lipstick Kit from MAC. So if you want to see what these lipsticks look like and find out which ones are in the permanent collection, you just keep on watching. Let's get started.
I don't know why you're not there. I give you my love, but you don't care. So what is right and what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love?
So first impressions, I definitely think that this lipstick goes on really smoothly. It's a matte lipstick, and it's called Stone.
Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love?
This one is called Whirl. It is way more nudie than I expected it to be, and it really does feel so good on the lip. Super shocked, super surprised. This is why I love swatches, because you never really know what to expect.
Next in line is a Velvet Teddy, another nude tone.
Oh, I don't know why you're not there. I give you my love, but you don't care. So what is right and what is
And coming
wrong?
all the way through, like she always do, is
What is
Diva.
love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love?
This is Good Kisser. And I'm also using my Farasali 24 karat rose gold elixir on my lips to give me the moisture without the shine. But first, I'm applying my Plush Plum Easy Liner by Jordana.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt
This
me.
lipstick is literally one of my personal favorites of all time. This is Flat Out Fab. It is a retro matte lipstick, and it is just that kind of tone that anyone can wear, and it really just makes the face pop. Next up is Rebel. This shade was the Fenty Beauty before there was Fenty Beauty. Ruby Woo, the collab from MAC and Rihanna. Now this coral tone is Mangrove. Farasali, help your girl out, please.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt
This
me.
shade is Please Me. It is definitely a powdery, pinky tone that I'm not quite used to. But hey, for demo's sake. As I see the shades getting lighter and lighter, I decided to balance it out with a deeper lip liner. I used Coco Loco, and this lipstick is Little Darling.
Oh, I don't know why you're not there. I give you my love, but you don't care. So what is right and what is
And
wrong?
for our fierce and final lipstick, this is Party Commencing. Definitely a party pink.
No more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
So
Baby, don't hurt
this
me.
particular set was $70, $69.50 from Ulta. I think I got it like on a steal. I think somebody may have returned it like as a Christmas gift because they are sold out everywhere. But I will give you more specifics on the colors that are still available. I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will be back next week. So until then,
Peace, love, and stay chic.